Our Wednesday problem for division reads like this. 4 elementary schools are going to Pine Cove. McSpedden has 270 students. Bright has 280 students. Sontag has 295 students. And Bledsoe has 310 students. Each cabin holds 11 students. How many cabins will need to be reserved for the trip so that each student can attend? So looking at my question, I know I need to know how many cabins, and I know that each cabin holds 11 students. So I'm going to be taking a number and breaking it apart into 11 groups. But I notice that I have 4 numbers up here. McSpedden has 270 students, Bright has 280 students, Sontag has 295, and Bledsoe has 310. So in order to get my total number of students, the first thing I need to do is add together those students. Now there's 4 numbers, but to make sure that I add correctly, I'm going to add 2 at a time. So McSpedden has 270, and I'm going to put an M for McSpedden, plus Bright, and Bright has 280. Okay, so 8 plus 7 is 15. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So I am going to cross those out because I've already added those. Sontag has 295. So 5 plus 0. 9 plus 5 is 14. 2 plus 5 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. So I've done Sontag. And Bledsoe is the last one. So 310. So 0 plus 5, 1 plus 4, 3 plus 8. And that's Bledsoe. So now I have to take, each cabin holds 11 students, and I am looking at my total of 1,155. So my first step, make my lines across the top, and I am going to look at my first number. 11 into 1. 11 divided into 1. Well, 1 is smaller. I know I cannot do that, so I'm going to put my 0 right there. 11 divided into 11. So I know 11 times 1 is 11, so 11 will go into 11 one time. 11 times 1 is 11. So now I'm going to subtract 11 minus 11 is 0 and bring down my 5. So now I'm looking at 11 into 5. So 11 will not go into 5. 5 is smaller, so I'm going to place my 0 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and bring down my next number, my 5. So now 11, I know 11 times 1 is 11, and I remember my 11s trick that anytime I'm multiplying 11 by a single digit number, that I am just taking this number twice. 5 times 1 is 55. So I know for my next step, 11 goes into 55 5 times. Going to multiply next, 55. Then I'm going to subtract 55 minus 55 is 0. And I have nothing else to bring down. So my answer, they will need 105 cabins.